Hey there, Crunchified Clean friends. Let's step up our cleaning game. See what I did there? Because I'm cleaning steps. Anyway, here's some tips on how to clean steps. You always want to go top to bottom. Obviously, gravity, right? Top to bottom. I either like to vacuum steps or I use my duster to dust the steps and bring all the stuff down. It really depends on whether I ate a good breakfast or if Mercury is in retrograde or, no, I'm just kidding. I don't follow any of that stuff. It really, depends. If it's carpet, obviously I'm going to vacuum it. But sometimes if it's flooring, sometimes I'll vacuum it. Sometimes I'll dust it. It really depends on the type of vacuum, whether it has a good hose or whether or not I want to risk killing myself down a flight of stairs. It all varies. But anyway, whatever you want to do to get the dirt and grime and dust off your steps, do that. And then get yourself a good all-purpose cleaner. Fold your towel in fours. I have a video showing you how to do that so you can get more coverage area. And then clean those stairs top to bottom. Work your way down. I normally wear shoe slip covers in my client's home, but for stairs, I take them off because, again, I don't want to kill myself. And, there you go. Crunchified clean stairs. Beautiful.